सारा जहां देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। अस्सी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है।
Good morning, children. Happy Independence Day to you all. Children, do you know what is Independence Day and why do we celebrate it? Let me tell you. We live in a country called India. India is a vast country. It was ruled by many kings, and during that time, people from foreign countries came to India to buy and sell goods. They troubled our people, and our people were suffering. So, at that time, our leaders fought for freedom. When these people, foreigners, left India, we got independence, which means freedom. We got Independence Day, that is freedom, to our country in 1947 on 15th August. Since then, we celebrate Independence Day every year on August 15th. On this day, we hoist our national flag. So children, now let's watch few of your friends dressed up as national leaders.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यार ही।
Children, do you know that our country India has 28 states? In these states, we have people of different religions and customs. They speak different languages. So let's watch some of the children who belong to few of these states.
But I am just like you. My name is Sanjati. I am from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I am just like you. I am from Mathura. I speak Gujarati. I am just like you. My name is Arundhati. I am from Guwahati. I speak Assami. I just like you. My name is Madhavi. I am from Allapi. I speak Malayalam, but I am just like you. beauty, but I'm just like you. My name is Jessica. I'm from I am Adesa, I'm from Murisa, I'm Pikuria, but I am just like you. My name is Shamshi. I am from Ajmer. I speak you Urdu, but I am just like you. My name is Subrata. I am from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. I am from Telangana. I speak Telugu, but I'm just like you.
Though we all follow different religions and customs, we are all one. Now let's watch Kaushal Mishra singing a patriotic song.
बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली प्यार प्यार फूल उनते माला में एक है प्यार प्यार फूल उनते माला में एक है हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है रंग रूप बेस बसा चाहे अनेक है कोयल की कूक न्यारी कबीले की तेज प्यारी कोयल की कूक न्यारी कबीले की तेज प्यारी गारी तरंगा बुलबुल राग मगरेक गारी तरंगा बुलबुल राग मगर एक है हिंदी देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है रंग रूप भेद भाषा चाहे अनेक है
That was a melodious song, Kaushal. Yes, children, we are all one. We are Indians. Let's watch a dance by Paridhi and Kanika.
कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज है छाया अपने ज़माना चाहो तो
Children, though we belong to different communities, still we stand united.
एक तेरा नाम है साजा हो एक तेरा नाम है साजा मन मेरी आने पाचा बस नाम तेरा माँ हो एक पहचान मेरी तू ही जिंद जान मेरी तू ही जहान मेरा माँ एक तेरा नाम है साजा हो
वंदे मातरम.
So now we come to an end of the program, children. Children, do remember, India is our country and it's our duty to stay united with everyone, love and serve our nation with pride in our hearts. Thank you.